In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends to validate product demand fast and easy. Google Trends is a powerful tool that provides insights into what people are searching for on Google, and it's a great resource if you want to understand the interest in your product over time. Let's start by opening a browser and navigating to Google Trends. You can easily find it by typing Google Trends into the search bar and clicking on the very first link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the main page, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Explore button. This section allows you to dive deeper into various search topics and see how interest in them has evolved. In the search bar at the top, type in your product name, type, or the category you're interested in researching. For example, if you're curious about how popular wireless earbuds have become, just type wireless earbuds into the search bar. Once you've entered your keyword, press enter, and Google will generate a trend graph. Now let's ensure our search results are as relevant as possible by setting appropriate filters. You'll notice filter options like location, time range, category, and search type. Adjust these settings based on your research focus. For instance, if you're targeting a specific country or region, select that location. The time range can be set to the past 12 months or the past 90 days to get recent trends. Choose a category that fits your industry to narrow down the results. Depending on your content channel, you might select a search type like web search, YouTube, or shopping. With the filters set, take a closer look at the interest over time graph. This graph is crucial as it shows how the interest in your product has changed over a specified period. A rising trend line suggests growing demand, while a stable line indicates consistent demand. Conversely, a declining trend line might be a sign of waning interest. You can hover over different points on the graph to see exact numerical search interest scores on a scale from 0 to 100. Let's add more depth to your analysis by using the Compare feature. Click on Plus Compare to add competitor products or substitute products. This comparison not only reveals the relative demand, but also informs you about where your product stands in the market landscape. Additionally, scroll down to examine the Related Queries and Related Topics sections. These areas highlight rising search terms and frequently searched product features. They help you catch early signals of emerging trends and understand valuable attributes customers are seeking. Finally, to track these insights over time, use the download icon to export the data into a CSV file. You can then align this search interest data with your product's sales figures, customer reviews, or advertising performance. This will guide you in making decisions about launching, tweaking, or expanding your product offerings. By the end of this process, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how popular your product is and whether the interest is trending upward, stable, or waning, thereby enabling informed business decisions.